I'm in the lovely village of Llandinam. So I'm just going to have a look at a very special bridge. That little bridge. I'm not sure exactly where it is or how far away, but I'm going to have a walk through the village and see what I can find. Well, here's that famous bridge. It's the first cast iron arch bridge in the region. And I gather that guy up there, where is he? I'll go and take a closer look. Reading his plans. Must be responsible for it. David Davis, born 1880, died 1890. And he lived to a ripe old age. And there we have it. I gather this would have been early 1800s again. Lovely bridge, lovely bridge. And there's something going on the other side, so I'm going to go and have a look. Hope it's not a pub because I haven't brought my wallet. Yeah, nice. Thomas Benson, County Surveyor. Excellent. Wow. Whoops. It's open to traffic. 3 tons gross vehicle weight. And look what else I found. The old station. So this is the track bed. Now look, there's the old track bed, look. And this is the old station. And I think that's probably the platform. Wow, how about that? Yet more evidence, the rails are still are crossing the road, look. With check rail as well. There you go. Yeah, that's lined up for the station. It's amazing. Found it by chance, just by chance. I want to go down there now. Is that a llama? It's not a goat, I know that. I think there's a few more here, yes. There's a goat and a couple of llamas. It's funny what you find. Believe it or not, this tiny little village, and that's the village hall. Look at it. Very grand building. And this is the pub, right in the centre of the village, called the Gables. Shame it's not a pub now. It does look like a pub, doesn't it? How nice, and what a shame it's closed. All good things come to an end. A great road for motorcycles, but wow, is the van not liking this. It's one corner after the next corner. It's not a very big road, and the views, wow. Can't really see, they're out on my right. The views are wonderful. Lovely rolling hills. Yeah, this is a motorcyclist road. It's one bend after the next. A quick pit stop by the side of the road. Beef and tomato and mustard sandwich, packet of crisps, cup of tea. Excellent stuff. Ow! Wow, bye-bye. Wales. Very nice trip through Wales, a bit shorter than I expected, but definitely back in England now, so let's see what we can find. A little glimpse of Herefordshire in the distance. Wow, I must be able to see for about 30 miles from here. Lovely. Here comes another lovely cast iron bridge. I'm not going to be able to park anywhere to go and have a look at it, I don't think, not unless there's parking on the other side. Oh, here we go. There's a beautiful bridge, very much like the other old iron bridges, limited to 18 tons, so we're okay. No parking. I'll have to Google that. This is the 466 road to Chepstow along the edge of the River Wye, I think. Wye, yeah, River Wye. Beautiful valley. It pops into Wales and it pops back into Gloucestershire. Yeah, beautiful valley. Absolutely gorgeous along here. We're back in Wales again. So, yeah, excellent. Back in a minute. I've got to be quiet because I'm parked in a little village called Tintern. And I don't know if my camera's picking anything up. Oh, with a few lights. This will be on Tintern will be tomorrow's video. I wanted to find somewhere. It's got everything I want. It's got a train station, disused, a railway bridge and railway walk. It's down towards Chepstow on the River Wye. So Alan reporting. The stars are out. I don't think my camera's picking anything up at all. So yeah, Alan out. Hello, it's Alan in the van. I'm still in Wales. Well, I've been in Wales, out of Wales, in Wales, out of Wales. At the moment I'm at Tintern, Parva. I am basically right there, alongside the River Wye. This area is going to be in tomorrow's video. I wanted to go tomorrow to... Anyway, as I was saying before my batteries let me down, I wanted to go to Llandinam tomorrow, to this preserved railway. But I'm going to leave that until Thursday, Friday, because I can't see Mark on Friday, and I think I'm going to be ready to see him over the weekend, maybe on Monday, I don't know. But at the moment I'm at Tintern, Parva. I'm going to explore this railway line that's running down here. Apparently there's a tunnel, there's bridges, there's a railway station at Tintern, Parva as well here. So that's tomorrow's video. So yeah, I'm in the very, very south east tip of Wales. I'm just going to put this video up because I really want to show you. And well, more tomorrow. Take care. Alan out. Oh.
Got the 101 running, 57 running, look at the function, that one.
I don't know where the other one